Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see the packet tracer activity, verifying and troubleshooting NAT configurations. Before that friends, if you like to get my future uploading video info into your Gmail, you can subscribe this channel right now. Well, coming to our activity, here we can see our addressing table. Also, we will go through the objectives. In part 1, isolate problems. In part 2, troubleshoot a NAT configuration. And in part 3, verify connectivity. Also, we will go through the scenario here. A contractor restored an old configuration to a new router running NAT, but the network has changed and a new subnet was added after the old configuration was backed up. It is your job to get the network working again. We will do that. Coming to part 1, isolate problems. Ping server 1 from PC1, PC2, L1, L2 and R2. Record the success of each ping. Ping any other machines as needed. First of all, we will get the IP address of the device server 1. Here we can see the IP address. We will copy this address. Now we will come to PC1 desktop command prompt. Here we are going to give ping to this server. Here is the address. Request timed out. No, we are not getting the replay. Now we will ping from PC2. Ping to our server. Request timed out. No, we are not getting the replay. Coming to L1. Ping to server. Here is the address. We are not getting the replay. Coming to L2. Ping to server. Not getting the replay. And now we will try from the device R2. Enable ping to server. And here we can see success rate is 100%. Here we can see we able to ping only from this device R2 to this server, but from other devices such as PC1, PC2, L1, L2, we are unable to ping to this server 1. Now we will come to part 2, troubleshoot NAT configuration. Step 1, view the NAT translations on R2. If NAT is working, there should be table entries. Coming to R2. Here we are going to give the command show IP NAT translations. Here we cannot see any table entries, so here the NAT is not working. Now we will come to step 2, show the running configurations of R2. The NAT inside port should align with the private address, while the NAT outside port should align with the public address. Yes, so we have to verify that. Before that, coming to our topology, here we can see the device R2, and here we can see the interface serial 0/0/0, which is connecting to the internet, and this interface should be IP NAT outside. Also, we can see this interface, that is serial 0/0/1, that should be IP NAT inside. So we have to verify that using our show command, show running config. Coming to R2, here we are going to give the command show running config, and we will verify those interfaces. Here we can see that serial 0/0/0. Here we can see they given IP NAT inside. Actually, this interface is connecting to the internet, and this interface is having here the public address. So we have to give IP NAT outside. Here they configured incorrectly, so we have to change that. Here we can see serial 0/0/1, and that should be IP NAT inside, but they configured IP NAT outside. Coming to step 3, correct the interfaces. Assign the IP NAT inside and IP NAT outside commands to the correct ports. Yes, now we will do that. Coming to the device R2, we have to go to the interface serial 0/0/0 first, and here we will set IP NAT outside, and we will go to the next interface, so that is serial 0/0/1, and here we will give IP NAT inside. We will verify the changes, show running config, and we will verify that. Here we can see serial 0/0/0 IP NAT outside. Yes, it's correct. Serial 0/0/1 IP NAT inside. Coming to step 4, ping server 1 from PC1, PC2, L1, L2 and R2. Record the success of each ping. Ping any other machines as needed. We will do that from PC1, command prompt, ping to our server. Yes, we are getting the replay. We'll try from PC2. We are getting the replay. Now we will do it from L1. Ping to server. No, we are not getting the replay. Coming to L2. No, we are not getting the replay. Coming to the router R2. Ping to our server. Here we can see success rate is 100%. We are getting the replay. Here we can see we able to ping from this device R2, also from this network 10.0, but we can see we unable to ping to the server from this network, that is 11.0. Coming to step 5, view the NAT translations on R2. If NAT is working, there should be a table entries. Coming to R2, here we are going to give the show command to show IP NAT translations. Here we can see it's not showing, but once more we will ping from any device. We will ping from PC2 to our server. And now we will try this show command to show IP NAT translations, and here we can see the entries. Here we can see the private IP address 10.4.10.2. So now our NAT is working. Coming to step 6, show access list 101 on R2. The wildcard mask should encompass both the 10.4.10.0 network and the 10.4.11.0 network. Coming to R2, now we will verify the access list. Here we will give the command show running config, and we will verify that. Here we can see access list 101 permit IP 10.4.10.0, and here we can see the wildcard bits 0.0.0.255. Here we can see this access list permits only this network 10.4.10.0, and that's why this network, that is 10.0, able to ping to this server but not this 11.0. Coming to step 7, correct the access list. Delete access list 101 and replace it with a similar list that is also one statement in length. The only difference should be the wildcard. So once we correct this access list, these both network, that is 10.0 and 11.0, should be able to access this server 1. Coming to our spreadsheet, here we can see those networks 10.0 and 11.0, and we are going to summarize these two networks. Here we can see the third octet I given in the binary. Now we are going to find the similar bits from these networks. So 10 dot, 4 dot, here we can see 0 0 0 0 1 0 1, and we can see the last bit. Here we can see 0 and 1. Here we are going to give 0 dot 0. So once we convert to a decimal, we will get the address 10 dot, 4 dot. Here we get 10 dot 0, and now we have to find the prefix length. Here we have to count the same bits. So here we can see it goes till here. So we will change the color of these bits. Better I will give in red. And now we have to count it. Here we can see the first octet, that is 8 bit. Here we can see the second octet, 8 bits. So we get total 16. Then here we can see 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So here we get the prefix as 23. Hence, so here is our subnet to mask of this this prefix /23, that is 255.255.254.0. Now we are going to get the wildcard bits by subtracting from this 255.255.255.255. So here we get 0.0.1.255. Now we are going to correct our access list 101 using this new wildcard bits. Coming to R2, enable configure terminal. First of all, we have to remove no access list 101, and we are going to create access list 101, and here we are going to permit IP 10.4.10.0. This is a summarized address, and now we are going to give the wildcard bit. So we already identified that 0.0.1.255, and here we are going to give any destination host. Now we will come to part 3, verify connectivity. Step 1, verify connectivity to server 1. Record the success of each ping. All hosts should be able to ping server 1, R1 and R2. Troubleshoot if the pings are not successful. Now we will try to access the server 1 from these devices. Coming to PC 1, we are getting the replay. Coming to PC 2, we are getting the replay. We will ping from L1. We are getting the replay. We'll try from my L2. We are getting the replay. Coming to step 2, view the NAT translations on R2. NAT should display many table entries. Coming to R2, here we are going to give the command show IP NAT translations, and here we can see the entries. Here we can see inside local 10.1, 10.2. Also we can see the other network address, this L1 and L2 address, that is 11.1, 11.2. Well, that's all in this packet tracer activity, verifying and troubleshooting NAT configurations. Here we can see our completion status 100 out of 100. Friends, if you have any doubt in this packet tracer activity, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get latest uploading video info directly into your Gmail. Thank you.